Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Carlo Gechikome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this irregular pleated pants. So in today's video, you basically learn how to form pleats, fix a zip, design trouser pockets, and fix a waistband. Welcome back. Without wasting much of your time, I will be cutting out my already outlined pattern off the fabric. So as you watch me cut the pattern out, I will use the opportunity to welcome you to my channel. Yes, I'm talking to you, my first timer. So here on this channel, I do mostly DIY. So if this is a topic that interests you or you know someone it's my interest, please don't relent in subscribing and sharing to them. And also don't forget to leave your notification bells on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I make posts. So after cutting out the front panels, the rectangular shape is for the pleats. I notched the center line on the base and up the waistline. Then I cut open the zipper spot on the crotch area and fold to mark the wrong faces and set aside for sewing. Over here at the machine, I'll be running stitches on the two side lines to form the pleats. So down here at the base of the panel, I'll be making another pleat. So after sewing, this is how it should look. I will then move on to fix the zipper fly. As you know, the zipper fly for men are usually on the left, unlike the female trousers. So to fix the zipper fly, I will place the good sides of the zipper fly facing the crotch area of the left side of the front panel and sew together. After which I ran a top stitch to secure the joints. So after fixing the zipper flyer, I went on to affix the zip on the flyer. After that, I cut the threads and then flipped the zipper and the flyer under to run a stitch in order to secure them together. To form the front panel side pockets, I'll be placing a denim here. Here is the pre-folded denim that I'll use and form the pocket tips. So to achieve this, I'll place the denim here and place the black on top of it and sew together, so that when I turn the black over after sewing, it will form the pocket tips. Then I'll fold in the black and run a top stitch. Before I form the pocket, I'll make sure the trouser waist size and the seam allowance is complete and then trim out the excesses. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. If there are confusions, you can leave your questions in the comment section. I will certainly attend to them. Please do not forget to share this video and my other videos. Also subscribe if you've not done that, and leave your notification bells on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I make posts. I will be running some stitches here to hold this part down before trimming out the sides. I will now run some stitches to seal the pocket hole. So after sewing that part, I trimmed out the excesses and then turned it inside out. And ran some top stitches to seal it from leakages in future. Now here is a neatly formed pocket. It is now time to join the two front panels together before affixing the other zip foot onto the right front panel. Make sure they align well before sewing. To avoid a part of your zip being longer than the other one, it is now okay to affix the other part of the zipper onto the crotch area of the right front panel. Over here, I used pins to hold the crotch, zipper and fly down before running my stitches. I hope this video is insightful and it will be of great help to you when next you want to make a trouser. Leave your thoughts about this video and don't forget to share, like and also subscribe if you've not done that. So here is a fully joined front panel from the pleats to the zipper and the pockets. Watch out for the next video on this series and thank you for watching. Bye and stay tuned.